Hey everyone, I'm from Dianore Designs, your go-to source for all things interior design and home improvement. Alright, let's jump right in and explore some of the most innovative and, dare I say, unexpected trends that are set to redefine our living spaces. 2025 is shaping up to be a truly wild year for home design. We're seeing a shift away from the predictable and a bold embrace of the unconventional. And trust me, some of these trends are going to surprise you. We're talking about ideas that push the boundaries of what we consider normal in interior design. Get ready to have your perception of home aesthetics challenged. First up, we've got moss walls. Prepare to bring the outdoors in a big way. Yeah, you heard me right, actual living moss in your house. Forget about framed art, we're talking about living, breathing walls. Instead of art, imagine a lush green patch right on your wall. It's like having a vertical garden inside your home. Not only does it look cool, but it also helps clean the air and brings a slice of nature inside. It's a fantastic way to incorporate biophilic design principles into your living space, connecting you with nature, even when you're indoors. Super eco-friendly, and honestly, a conversation starter if there ever was one. Imagine the look on your guests' faces when they see a thriving moss ecosystem on your wall. Next, say hello to hidden rooms. Time to unleash your inner child and embrace a bit of mystery. Now I know what you're thinking, secret passages are just for movies, something straight out of a spy film, right? But more homeowners are building sneaky little spaces behind bookshelves or mirrors. It's a trend that's gaining serious traction. Maybe it's a reading nook, a mini office, or just a spot to hide your mess before guests come over. Let's be honest, we all need one of those. It's mysterious, practical, and a little bit James Bond. Who wouldn't want a secret lair in their own home? Now, third on the list, color drenching. Get ready to commit to a single hue in a big, bold way. Forget accent walls. People are now painting every surface in a room the same bold color. We're talking full immersion in a single shade. Ceilings, doors, trim, everything. No surface is safe from the monochromatic takeover. It's dramatic, it's cozy, and it makes a statement. It envelops you in color, creating a truly unique atmosphere. Plus, it's a great way to show off your personality. Choose a color that truly resonates with you and let it transform your space. Just imagine a deep forest green library, or a powder blue kitchen that feels like a cloud. It's all about creating an immersive and unforgettable experience. Coming in at number 4, it's recycled luxury. Sustainability meets sophistication in this exciting trend. This one's all about mixing high-end style with upcycled materials. It's about giving new life to old items and creating something truly special. Think elegant furniture made from reclaimed wood, or chic lights crafted from old glass bottles. The possibilities are endless when you embrace creativity and sustainability. You get unique, one-of-a-kind pieces, and you're helping the planet. Win-win. It's a conscious choice that doesn't compromise on style. Last but definitely not least, let's talk tech-integrated spaces. Get ready for homes that are not just smart, but also seamlessly integrated with technology. I'm not just talking about smart speakers. We're going way beyond the basics here. In 2025, homes are blending tech right into the design, like touch-activated surfaces, invisible wireless chargers built into countertops, or mirrors that double as screens. Technology is becoming an invisible yet indispensable part of our homes. It's all about convenience and keeping things seamless and clutter-free. The goal is to enhance our lives without adding to the visual clutter. So, there you have it. 5 unusual home design trends you'll be seeing everywhere in 2025. These are the ideas that are poised to shape the way we live and interact with our homes. Moss walls, hidden rooms, color drenching, recycled luxury, and tech-integrated spaces. These trends offer a glimpse into the future of home design, where creativity, sustainability, and technology converge. Some of these sound a little out there, but that's the fun of design, pushing boundaries and making your space truly your own. It's about expressing your individuality and creating a home that reflects your unique personality. Which one would you try in your home? Let me know in the comments. I'm eager to hear which of these trends resonates with you the most. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more design inspiration. Stay tuned for more exciting trends and ideas to transform your living space. Until next time, keep dreaming big with your space. Let your imagination run wild and create a home that truly inspires you.